Experiencing a silent boombox or pedestrian warning system on your Tesla Model 3? Don't worry, it's a relatively common issue with known solutions. This video will guide you through diagnosing and fixing the problem, covering everything from simple software resets to checking for wiring issues. We will focus on both DIY fixes and when it's best to seek professional help to ensure your safety and maintain your vehicle's warranty. We'll address problems in Model 3s from all years, with a focus on challenges with 2017-2022 models related to wiring. The Tesla Model 3's external speaker system is designed for both entertainment and safety. It includes the Boombox feature for amplified music playback and the pedestrian warning system to alert others around the vehicle. The Boombox feature lets you play music loudly through the external speaker, creating a party atmosphere. You can control it from the touchscreen, even customizing sounds like replacing the horn with fun effects. The pedestrian warning system uses the external speaker to emit sounds that alert nearby pedestrians, especially important for quiet electric vehicles. This complies with safety regulations and helps prevent accidents. The speaker system relies on an audio control unit that processes signals from the infotainment system connected to the external speaker via a wiring harness. This harness distributes power and signals protected by a 5/8 fuse. Common problems include wiring issues like corrosion from moisture or loose connections, blown fuses that cut power, and software glitches that disable audio output. To diagnose, use a multimeter to check for 12 volts at connector points, ensuring power reaches the speaker. Tesla's service mode can scan for specific error codes indicating the problem. Before diving into hardware, let's rule out simple software glitches. First, perform a soft reset of your Tesla by holding down both steering wheel buttons until the screen goes black and the Tesla logo appears. Once it's back online, navigate to the Toy Box menu to ensure the Boombox feature is enabled. Then, check your safety and security settings to confirm the pedestrian warning system is active. Sometimes, a recent software update can inadvertently disable these features. If that doesn't work, move on to the next step. A blown fuse is one of the most common causes of external speaker failure in the Tesla Model 3. These small electrical components protect the circuit from overloads, and when they fail, they cut power to the speaker system. The relevant fuse is typically a 5-amp fuse located in the underhood fuse box. To locate it, consult your Tesla Model 3 owner's manual, which provides a detailed fuse box diagram. Once you've opened the fuse box, visually inspect the 5-amp fuse for any signs of damage. Look for a broken or melted filament inside the fuse. This indicates it's blown and needs replacement. If the fuse is blown, obtain a replacement 5-amp fuse from a Tesla service center or authorized dealer. Using the correct amperage is crucial to prevent further electrical issues. After installing the new fuse, close the fuse box and test both the Boombox feature and the pedestrian warning system to confirm the speaker issue is resolved. This straightforward fuse replacement often resolves external speaker problems completely, saving time and avoiding more complex diagnostics. If the fuse isn't the issue, inspect the wiring harness, particularly in 2017-2022 Model 3 vehicles where corrosion is common. The harness is located near the front bumper, behind the plastic trim. Check for signs of corrosion, loose connections, or damaged wires. These issues can prevent proper audio output. Here's a close-up view of the wiring harness showing multiple wires and connectors. Notice the bundled wires connected to black plastic housings. For corroded connectors, clean them with electrical contact cleaner. Spray the cleaner directly onto the connectors and let them dry completely before reassembling. For damaged wires, splicing may be necessary, but only if you're experienced with automotive electrical work. Use proper splicing methods like the Western Union technique and wrap securely with tape. For severe damage, seek professional help. For more in-depth troubleshooting of the Model 3's external speaker system, you can access Tesla's service mode. This advanced diagnostic tool requires specific key combinations or software to enter. Service mode provides access to diagnostic tests and allows you to check for specific error codes. For example, you might see codes like SPKR fault or pedestrian warn disabled, which indicate issues with the speaker system or pedestrian warning feature. These error codes provide valuable insights into the root cause. SPKR fault typically indicates a hardware issue in the speaker module, while pedestrian warn disabled often points to wiring or software problems. You can reference Tesla's alert code documentation, which lists signal names, customer messages, and chime behaviors for various system alerts. Consult Tesla's service documentation or online forums for detailed error code definitions and recommended solutions. However, be aware that accessing service mode may void your warranty, so proceed with caution and consider professional service for complex diagnostics. While many Tesla Model 3 speaker issues can be addressed through simple DIY troubleshooting, certain complex problems require professional expertise to ensure safety and warranty compliance. Complex issues such as internal speaker damage, malfunctions in the audio control unit, or extensive wiring harness problems are best handled by certified technicians. These require specialized tools and expertise that go beyond basic troubleshooting. If your Tesla Model 3 is still under warranty, attempting DIY repairs on electrical systems could void your coverage. Tesla's warranty specifically requires professional service for components like wiring harnesses and audio modules to maintain validity. Tesla service centers now offer a comprehensive speaker health check as part of routine maintenance, utilizing AI-driven diagnostics to predict potential issues before they occur. This proactive approach has led to a 25% drop in service visits for audio issues, with repairs typically completed in under 30 minutes and a 92% success rate. Consider seeking professional help if you're uncomfortable working with electrical systems, or if the problem persists after trying simpler solutions. Remember, a failed pedestrian warning system not only violates safety regulations, but can also pose real risks to pedestrians and cyclists on the road. Tesla is continuously improving the reliability of its external speaker systems. Newer models, post-2022, feature weather-sealed wiring harnesses that are more resistant to corrosion. Tesla also uses OTA software updates to address bugs and improve diagnostics, reducing the need for manual intervention. To prevent future issues, consider regular inspections of your Model 3's wiring, especially if you live in a humid climate. By 2027, Tesla plans to integrate external speakers with its full self-driving FSD software for dynamic sound adaptation, so keeping your system in good working order will be even more important.